I rise on a point of order because the minister is misleading the House. We did not present an implied budget for the coming fiscal year. We presented our proposals, our policy commitments for the next PNP government. And we have never said that they will be implemented in the current fiscal year. They are... I rise on a point of order because the minister is misleading the House. We did not present an implied budget for the coming fiscal year. We presented our proposals, our policy commitments for the next PNP government. And we have never said that they will be implemented in the current fiscal year. They are...
Reality check, man, from your device, and you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers. Now we see the dead already, Fayval. Because Fayval Williams dead already, you know. A living dead that they walk, you know. So yesterday, she in the House of Parliament. And before Fayval go in the House of Parliament and tell the nation, oh, the nation future look for the next couple of months down the line. Fayval Williams gone in a parliament. They chew a word. They chew a word, you know. So now, you know, have to understand when Juliet Wholeness really can't stand this living dead. You know, have to understand, you know. Although Juliet Wholeness having problem, is a reason why Juliet Wholeness can't stand this dead, you know. Because every time this living dead get up in a parliament and open him out and talk, you know, this living dead let down Jamaica, you know. The living dead tell we say, we must save $2,000 a month for 3 years. After 3 years, you're supposed to have 72,000. The living dead say 74. And if you use, you got take out or buy Pro Box. Now the little dead, we got try to apologize to the nation, you know. The little dead gone in a parliament, they try to double down. And they can diss Jamaican people. You what the living dead they can tell we say now. One cocoa full basket. You know, see it say Fayval Williams retarded. You know see it say Fayval Williams a one retarded woman. They can tell we one cocoa full basket. And Rome never built in a one day. Eh? Anyway, when we play the clip and we listen to the baboon.
Madam Speaker, it is the experience of putting aside something, no matter how small, that still lives on in me. Madam Speaker, it's not where you begin, it's where you end. And I want to thank Mr. Vegas and others in social media who understood the message of one cocoa full basket. Rome was not built in a day. Take your hand, make fashion, who stood up in social media against the nonsense videos about $2,000 Pro Box. Madam Speaker, let me caution the opposition and their supporters about how they talk about Pro Box. Currently, there are 23,423 Pro Box vehicle owners in Jamaica. So be very careful that you don't disrespect Pro Box.
Minister, it would appear that the members would like to be here until 9 o'clock tonight.
Madam Speaker.
Now you see why Juliet Wholeness after this living dead. This woman that tried to come insult our intelligence. After this woman sit before Dean Jackson and tell Dean Jackson proudly, you know, double down when Dean Jackson they tell him, say, no minister, this can't work. She looking at Dean here and tell Dean, say, yes, save $2,000 a month for 3 years. And you will make 74,000. Not even the match she get right in. You know, say that would be 72,000 after 3 years. And now this woman gone in a parliament, they throw a word for opposition. Eh? They throw what pan opposition, like opposition when take this living dead. Carry him go put him for interview, fin talk far out time out. And before him go in a parliament, go keep him ass quiet because every time the Labour right then open them out, they embarrass Jamaica. How incompetent and stupid these people are. Eh? What the living dead they can't tell we say now Jamaica. Those who in social media who understand the message of one cocoa full basket and Rome did not believe in a one day. So they can Joelness go no 20%. Why Andrew Holness go no 300 and 200%? If one cocoa could have full basket, we make Andrew Holness go no 300% and 250%. And they come tell we know about Rome never bill in a one day. After the man, we know why you can tell we what bill from one no bill. Incompetent baboon. When you go for interview and make mistake and make yourself look like a shit clown uneducated, you don't want to come back and spin it around for the opposition like the opposition hold on the mouth and they talk out on the mouth. Eh? They come tell you about one cocoa food. Your head favor the cocoa. Your head favor the cocoa what you talk about, man. Go take away yourself, man, and go hide on yourself, man. You know are a disgrace to Jamaica. Every time you open your mouth, you embarrass me. Take away on yourself and go, man. But one cocoa full basket. Your head favor cocoa whole piece now, yo.
$2,000 a month if you faithfully put away that $2,000 because it's something that you were not getting before. 3 years, you'll have a tidy sum that you could put down on a car, a little pro box that you have to drive to go to work, and you don't have to stand up in the sun or think about rain to get a vehicle to drive. So yeah,
$2,000 a month over 3 years, Minister. You think we can? And you think you can put out on a car with that?
Yeah, a little pro box. You
A
can get
little
a nice,
20-year-old pro box.
nice little car.
Keep blazing your fire, fire, fire. Blazing your fire, fire, fire. This is Jimmy Morgan bigging up Aromatic Realistic TV. Real about ya here. Subscribe now. YouTube. Boom.